In this tutorial, I'm going to explain to you how to create your East-Southeast Asia map. We've given you an outline map. At the bottom right-hand corner, it should say number 9. This is your final map in Contemporary World Studies. Attached to this slideshow is the political map of Asia. This is all of Asia. So even though this is Southwest Asia and South Asia, East-Southeast is this portion. This is also the physical features of the map. Again, you're only going to be worried about this portion. On the map, you're going to draw the Tropic of Cancer and the equator. And for all of the countries that you're identifying, you need a circle star. For the rest of Asia, you can shade it gray. The countries are Brunei, Cambodia, China, Indonesia, Japan, Laos, Malaysia. What's behind there? We'll come back. Myanmar, Mongolia, North Korea, Philippines, Singapore, South Korea, Thailand, and Timor-Leste, East Timor, and Vietnam. So the land features that you're going to put on the map, water features that you're going to put on the map are Bay of Bengal, Pacific Ocean, East China Sea, Sea of Japan, Indian Ocean, South China Sea, and then 3 rivers, Mekong River, which is draining the Himalayas, Yangtze, and Yellow. The Himalayan mountains and the Mongolian plateau and plateau of Tibet are also going to be put on there, and the Gobi Desert. And you're going to probably circle Indochina Peninsula, refer to your teacher. So for instance, on this map, I've shown you circling the Indochina Peninsula, Himalayan mountains, plateau of Tibet, Mongolian Tibet, so partly in Mongolia and partly in China, and then the Gobi Desert. So you need to give it a title. Make sure to put the symbols in your key and include a compass rose. Now for this map, we're going to have you do some investigations, some research. You are going to use the CIA World Factbook, and you're going to track down the GDP per capita of each country. So you're going to go to the CIA World Factbook and click on the country or enter the country in the search bar, and then you're going to scroll down on economy, and it will show you GDP per capita. It's 2017 data, which is plenty up to date, and you are going to record this amount on your map rules sheet. So please make sure to do that. So for instance, here you can find the U.S. GDP per capita 57,466. That's also a 2017 data point. You're also going to put 3 arrows on your map, and you're going to track the cultural diffusion of Buddhism. Buddhism is a religion, but sometimes it's also considered a way of life, mentality. And so its starting point is in India. You're going to star that, and arrow 1, arrow 2, and arrow 3 are going to take Buddhism throughout this region. Kanpur, I've shown you on this map, is here. The capitals you can write down to save you some effort. Also, I wanted to point out that Brunei is found here inset in Malaysia. And this island also is Indonesia, Malaysia, and Brunei. So I also want to point out that here is where you're going to type the capitals. So don't write them on your map, but type the capitals on this sheet. And on the next page is where you're going to record the data for the GDP per capita and what color you should be shading that country. Good luck.